Okay. Ready to go home?
I am soon, yeah. Alright, so perfect. So you guys had the awesome. Thanks guys. Enjoy your time in Macquarie. Thank you.
Thing is to lock your door. Let's look at the floor plan first. Our room number is 502. As you can tell, plenty of rooms on level 5. We've got 70 rooms here. So the left side is our wardrobe. It has a very strange smell. We got an extra blanket and 2 extra pillows. Down here we got an iron board and iron, but it looks a bit dirty and old. And here we got some clothing, a mirror here, as you can tell. Then this side is our mini bar session. Glasses on the top, some cups, and here's a kettle. And we got some chocolates here, but I'm not sure if those are complimentary or not. Seems like complimentary because it's with the complimentary tea bags. We got oral tea bags. Then this is drinking chocolates. Some coffee bag, instant coffee bag. This is cool actually. I really like it. Long black. Some sugars. We got mini fridge, 2 bottles of water, complimentary water, and we've also got 1 fresh milk. Then this side is our toilet. The toilet is very small, to be honest. We've got the separate shower room here. Wow, the toilet smells really bad. I hate this smell. We got body wash, shampoo and conditioner, and here's a very small toilet. And here is the basin. Got another liquid soap and body lotion here. And I got some tissue box, toilet roll, towels. The towels looks a bit dirty as well. And we also got one hair dryer here. Then here comes to our bedroom. The bed looks pretty good. We got 2 charging outlets right here, and I believe we got another charging outlets on the left side as well. Yeah, that's correct. As you can tell, we got this lounge area, got sofa. This is a pretty simple working desk. We got a TV right here in front of the bed. I know it's already dark there, but apparently we got a long balcony. We got a balcony here. Couldn't see anything down there. Oh, we have parked our car there, so we've got street view. It's very quiet. Yes, that's pretty much about this room too. It's very simple room, but it does smell. Alright, it's too late. We're gonna take a shower. Good night. It's a lovely day. I love it. The receptionist told us there's a function on level. I don't know which level, but the lift is gonna be super busy today. So she said if we want to use the lift, we better get up early as we can. But it's not that early now. It's already 8:37. Let's see what we're having around Mercure Hotel. Basically, you can just park your car right in front of the hotel, but the hotel does have on-site parking as well, but we just parked outside. It's easier. This is the William Street. This is the restaurant where we had dinner last night. Seems like this is a small shopping mall. Hay Street. We're here, and this is town center. They have town square, the glass house, post office, shopping center is around here. Then this is a museum, cocktails, PlayStation. Then we've got church on this side. Yeah, that's right. That side that we just saw is shopping center area.